Hello, welcome to my channel. It's your girl Fine here. Today I will show you how to do box braid on someone else. So you will need your pinky and your thumb. So you use your pinky, go under, and your thumb just touch your pinky and you pull the hair out. I will show you that again. You need your pinky and your thumb all come together and you pull the hair out. Now I use my right hand. You can use what hand work for you. I'll show you that is how you have the hair, your pinky and your thumb, and you go to the exact section of what you want and you pull it aside. You put it. I'm prepping the hair. I'll show you just there, and you pull your two hands apart from each other. Just that is what you do. You just pull it apart and you can start braiding. So I'm using Tanya to show you how to do box braid with extension. So once you section the hair, see what I did? I use my pinky to go inside my third hair, and I do it like a scissors where I grab the hair and I send it to my right. I'll show you right there. And now I'm going to tuck the hair in so that her natural hair will not be showing on the extension I'm using. You see, I'll show you. You really fold it while you're doing it to give it nice and well tucked in, so that you see I'm doing it to also to be tight so that she will have a nice and smooth look. I don't want it to be loose. So especially I do that when I'm doing her around your natural hair. So I asked Tanya to hold it so that I didn't want to pull her roots. I did that hair tight enough to hold her hair, but it's not too tight that it will break her hair. Please keep that in mind when you're doing. So I show you how to section it. It's I put a tail comb right on her roots or her scarf, and I go all the way to the end. I put shine and jam to keep the hair nice, and also it will help me to see the section that I'm doing more nice and neat. Now see, you go all the way. Your hand has to be straight because it's a box braid. You can't do it round. If you do it round, then you won't have that shape. So you section it in two, then you use your hand. See what I did? Give the hair, then you use your pinky, go inside and you grab. Go inside, then you grab the hair. Then now I'll start. Then I will bring her natural hair out. I'll use the extension to cover it all. See, that is what I do. We want to cover her natural hair so it will not be sticking out after 1 day or 2 days. You braid, you tuck the hair in, tuck it in. That makes it to last way longer. So then I'm going to section it in two, and I'm doing that because I don't want to give her hair a brush. If I do that hair in one, she will have a brush in her front, but I didn't want that. So I'm going to section it again. See, I just go and I pull it up. See, that is the size we have. Then I'll section it. See, I'll section it again. Then I go that way because I still want it to have a boss look. There I go. You put that keep it nice and neat. Section it again. You will see what you need, if you need to go do it again or not, because you're doing on someone, you can see their scarf really good. So you see, I use my two finger, which was my pinky, and my third finger, go right in there and I grab it. See, my pinky goes in and the next hair grab it. I do that. I'm going to cover the extension. See, use the extension and shine and jam. See, right here. I run it. Okay, I also want her hair to be moist because the shine and jam that I'm using, it has condition in it. So you see, I tuck it in. You can see that all her hair, you couldn't see. The color that she's using is a brown color, so but you wouldn't even be able to notice after I'm done that her natural hair in it. You see, I do it like a scissors, open, and you close it to hold it to make her hair tight, but not too tight because we don't want to break her hair. A lot of people end up losing their hair, or they have a lot of breakage because their hair was braided too tight to their scarf, and we don't want that. We want her while she still have her braid protective style for her hair to keep growing, not to break. So you see, that is why I'm covering it, close her natural hair, so that her hair will be all nice and neat. So you see, you shine and jam, it keeps its aid to make the hair stay, but that's what you do. You braid all the way to the tip. So I'm going to show you how to get the ends coily. If you want it to be coily, all you need to do, depending on the size of the coil that she wanted, she wanted it a little wavy but not too much. So that is why I braided her hair. If they want it loose or very tight but a little loose, you can do it twist, but she wanted this. I will show you at the end how the coil came out. So you braid it all the way to the end, and the next thing we are going to do is to put it in hot water, and that hot water is going to give it a nice and wavy look, while it also seal the extension so that the extension will not come out. I hope you're learning something from this video. So see, I'm braiding the next part, the next section. You will have to do the whole hair. Again, it depends on what the person wants. If they want to keep it straight, you will just have to put it in hot water and that will be it. But because she wanted it to be coy, that's why. So please be careful when you're dealing with hot water. You don't want to burn the person that you're doing her hair. You see how she has her hair very nice and steady, so I won't burn her. And make sure that the towel that you're using is also very big enough to cover her back or her shoulder, so that even if the water split or spill, it will not touch her, it will just be on the towel. So yeah, I hope you're enjoying this video. If you have any question, feel free to comment in the comment section. Let me know what is your question. What do you want to know more? What type of hairstyle will you like me to do in my next video? I'll be happy to reply or respond to your comments. So now, after doing this, I'm going to put mousse. I just use mousse to make it so that it will be all nice and slick. When I do that, I ask her, hey, are you allergic to mousse? Is it itchy? Because some people might be allergic to it. So if you're doing it on someone else, you want to know if they react to it or if they do not. Just take extra precautions so that you not play and they start reacting to it. So after that, I use a blow dryer to just make the ends to dry it so that her hair will not be heavy, number one. And after doing the hair, she will not be dripping water in her back. So that's pretty much what I did in this buzz braid. She wanted it buzz braid and the front to be more close together. If once I put her hair in her front, like you see from the beginning, you wouldn't notice the buzz braid on her scalp, but if she lay it all out down, you will see it. So that is pretty much how to achieve that buzz look. And yeah, so we are coming to almost to the end of this video. Have you subscribed yet? If you have not subscribed, and smash that notification bell so whenever I upload the video, YouTube will notify you. So after once you're done putting it in hot water, your next stage will be to take the braids that you did out. You need to take it out, and you want to be careful so that it will not be messy. So what I did, I used my hand. I just go right in where I see the hair start coming, because once you use the scissors and cut it, it will start coming out. So it will be easy for you to take it out and Yeah, so that is really how to get the coily look. If you want a coil, now if you want it straight, you just want to put it in hot water without braiding or doing anything. There is also a rod method, that is the one very coil looking, then you will have to use a rod, but that wasn't what we wanted to get in this. We wanted a more of a nice coily looking. So yeah, so this is how the coil came out. That is how it came out. You see her buzz braid, you see the end. So the length that she used was, it's a pre-stretch like you saw from the beginning, and it was 48 inches. Now it will depend on the company, but I'm going to put all the tools that I use in the description below. Please feel free to use it. You can order the hair or the shine and jam from Amazon. Please feel free to use my Amazon link and order it. And thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate your time. I appreciate you watching all the way to the end of this video. And please like, share, and comment. Thank you so much, and see you in my next video.